Hey guys, welcome back to Froothie TV. Ryan here, also known as the boy who blends. Today we're using two of Froothie's high-speed blenders, the Optimum 9400X and the G2.6, and the help of Optimum's best horizontal juicer to time, the H5000. Rated 5 stars by consumers in Australia and all over the world, Optimum appliances are capable of merging a lot of kitchen equipment into just one beast machine. Easter is just around the corner, so I thought why not to prepare a delicious and easy carrot cake. It'll be a really cute Easter treat for kids because of small details with decorating the cake with chocolatey Easter eggs and more. Anyways guys, let's get to juicing. So for the deli yummy cake, we're in need of some fresh carrot juice to pump out the natural carrot taste, keeping all nutrients and vitamins. Here's the Optimum H5000, designed to extract the maximum nutrients, enzymes and juices out of fruits, crushing and squeezing ingredients with no heat throughout the process, producing high quality where no separation occurs, leaving us with a result rich in nutrients. Now that we have our fresh carrot juice ready, let's start with our cake. For this recipe, we are in need of 3 eggs, 1 cup of white sugar, 2 carrots, half a cup of oil, a cup and a half of flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of honey, fresh ginger, groundnut, cinnamon, and of course the juice we've just prepared. And you may want to add some dried raisins and walnuts. Easiest part is when you get to put all together in the blender and hit blend. But wait! A lot of you may not know that there's a way of placing ingredients in your jug. First you place eggs and liquids to make sure hard ingredients won't get stuck, then leafy items, and last you place the hard ingredients. And like this you'll have amazing results. Back to you, Ryan. Place in your blender the eggs, vegetable oil, sugar, carrot juice, baking powder, the flour and honey. Then add the spices and the whole carrots on top. The Optimum 9400X comes equipped with 5 manual programs that you can set for various drinks, smoothies and shakes. Simply set the time, speed and duration for blending, and the 9400X saves your setting for you. There you go, perfect texture within seconds. And now to the oven for 40 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius. Meanwhile, let's prepare the buttercream for the icing of the cake. Here's my beast blender, the one that crushes ice with ease, the Optimum G2.6. Place in the jug set 1.5 cups of unsalted butter at room temperature, 3 cups of powdered sugar, 4 tablespoons of heavy cream, and a pinch of salt to increase the taste. And hit the sauce button to create a smooth yet creamy icing. And that's perfect, and it seems our cake is also done. Let the cake cool down before icing it up. Meanwhile, you can check out our previous video on Halloween, where we used the Optimum G2.6 to create a soft, sweet sugar dough. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys. With that dough, we're able to create any design we like. Here I created an Easter bunny and some carrots, for example. Say Happy Easter. Hit like and subscribe to the channel to keep posted on every new video using Optimum's blenders, the world's first high-performance, game-changing blenders featuring new induction motor technology to give you best results in no time. Today, using 3 of Froothie's appliances, we created an easy Easter carrot cake. Having more than one Optimum appliance in your kitchen makes cooking way more fun. Stay safe, keep on blending, and I'll see you next time.